Alright, my friends, if you like the Mexico Anomaly, wait till you see what just took place in India. We're going to cover this right now as we speak. Alright, everybody, welcome back. Happy Saturday. Hope the weekend's going well. Now, remember that Mexico Anomaly we just posted on the other day that was sitting right about here? You can actually see some of these radar beams still coming out of this area. And I mean, come on, everyone. We all know this was just a radar distance test. It was nothing more than that, of course. But here it is on your screen. Take a look at it. Very odd. But now we have to go across the world to see the next one. And by across the world, I mean India. Take a look at this. We're going to take a look at India right now, and specifically closer to about Bangladesh right here. Now watch this. What is going on in India? This was sent to me by a subscriber. I have seen it before in a different shape in a different part of the world. So we know there's something going on here with the weather systems in these areas. If you follow this circle here, this circle determines what this specific radar is picking up. It's the circumference of the area that it covers. And within this area, we now see this weird anomaly. And that's not it. We have another little piece of this anomaly here that has a clear spot right in the middle. Now, I don't know if there's a radar in this area, but a lot of the times when you see these negative spots, we tend to get the radar right there. But what this seems like to me is the radar kind of sits in this area. It's a very big scanning radar, and it covers a big, large area of both India, parts of the ocean there, goes into Myanmar, and then probably as far north as Bhutan up there. But again, this should not be here right now. And of course, it's probably just a radar test. But why are these things always seemingly happening near severe weather? Just like with Mexico, we had that hurricane just to the northwest of the anomaly itself, and now the same thing is happening in India. We have the anomaly here, which is not supposed to be here. You can clearly see that when it disappears because it is not supposed to be there. We happened to catch it before they were able to remove it completely from the data here. So if we jump over to Vent2 Sky, you can see there is a huge system going on in India right now with the anomaly on the northeast of the weather system. You can't see it here because it only shows up on some types of radar frequencies. So this is how we know that this is an important find right here and that it should not be there at all. This is not a natural occurring storm. This is not a weather formation. This is coming from the radar. And we talk about this constantly on my channel, and you can see a little beam going here. Now it makes you wonder, is there actual weather in these areas? Are these people feeling rain? Is there something of other significance going on in this little strip of weather that should not be there? That I can't tell you because I don't live here. But if we back out very quick, one thing that is going on in Kolkata, which is right here inside the anomaly itself, is among many other places, but specifically here, as of about 20 minutes ago, they have an excessive heat warning going on. It's about 85 degrees now. Expected to peak a little higher than that. Nothing super crazy, but it just makes me wonder what is going on. Why are we seeing these weird anomalies now in India? We saw it in Mexico. We have the Antarctic Anomaly, which I don't care what anyone says, I know that is affecting things in the Atlantic Ocean. So once again, will this be explained off as just a radar glitch? Or are people starting to wake up to something a little more nefarious going on that we may or may not have proof of? That's the ultimate question here, my friends. Let's see what goes on in the next coming days. We have a hurricane to worry about in the Atlantic, which I'll be covering nonstop. But my friends, what is going on in India? What's going on in Mexico? Shoot, man, what is happening with this entire planet as a whole? All right, everybody, appreciate you all. Hope you're having a great weekend. We will talk again very soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.